First of all, I took the class because I love education. Because I feel as nurses, the more we educate ourselves, we get up-to-date materials and information to give better care to our patients.
Because sometimes everybody has their way of studying, and sometimes some people study something more different than what the blueprint has shown.
I think this class is very helpful. I think all of us know all the important knowledge, but it's just scattered puzzle pieces in our brain. And this class just making all the pieces together so that information can apply on the practice.
Well, I chose this class because of its location, and I was not familiar with the speaker, but after having attended this class, I would highly recommend it to anyone else.
I'm really enjoying the class. It's great. She's awesome, actually. She's an awesome lecturer.
I really love Carol Rowan. I've been going to her classes at Stanford, and when I found out that they were having this class, I didn't hesitate, and I drove from San Jose, 34 weeks pregnant, because I really want to do this course.
So for her who has that experience and kind of have an idea what the test's about, it's good to just get reviews so you'll be focused on what you really need to know to prepare for the exam.
Yes. I think by taking this class, I'm able to take the test and pass it probably, most probably.